Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today I'll be taking you through the sewing process of this beautiful sleeveless jacket. We have done the drafting of this, so I'll be dropping the link in the comment section. So in case you have not seen the video, so you can just click the link in the comment section to watch the tutorial on how to got the pattern drafting that we use in the sewing of this. So thank you for joining us today. For our returning subscribers, thank you always. If you are joining us for the first time and you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we have a new tutorial. And also, if you'd like to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box. Thank you, and let's get started. Alright, so this simple jacket, I will be taking you through the step-by-step process on how to cut it on the fabric and how to sew the beautiful sleeveless jacket together. We've done a class on how to draft it, so we're able to come up with these patterns from the drafting class. I'll be dropping the link for those of us that missed the drafting of this particular jacket. I'll be dropping the link in the comment section so that you can just go ahead and watch the video on how to draft the pattern. So once you're able to draft out the patterns like this, then you can go ahead and just transfer it to your fabric. So I'm transferring to the fabric now. So this is my zipper by button allowance for the front, so just add all the necessary allowances to it, and don't forget to add your hem allowance also. So I will just go ahead now and transfer this on the fabric. So I'll be using this crepe fabric. So this is a yard crepe fabric, and also I'll be using this suit lining. So let's go ahead and cut it out. All right, so I've cut out each of the pieces now. So this is for the front, and also this is for the back. So what we'll be doing now is we'll be joining the main fabric together. So we'll join the center front to the side front, center back to the side back. We'll join the front and the back at the shoulder line, then we'll join it on the side. So we'll do that for the lining, and we'll do that for the main fabric. That means you are joining the main body together, the full back and front for fabric, and we are also doing the same thing for the lining. We'll give it a good press, then I'll bring it back. All right, so this is what it's looking like after joining the main fabric together. So this is what I have after joining other pieces. So this is the front and the back, and I've also joined it together on the shoulder. So this is what it's looking like. It is looking beautiful already. So now that we have this, I also did the same joining for the lining also. So now next thing I'm going to be doing is to be turning the fabric with the lining. So we'll be doing the inseam finishing. So we've placed the fabric and the lining right side facing the right side of the fabric facing the right side of the lining. So when you are placing it, to make sure that each of these joining are lined together with the main fabric. So the joining on the lining and the fabric, make sure they are lined together. So if it's not aligned, so just make the necessary adjustment. So what we're going to be doing is you just pick one side and just sew it straight with your 0.5 inch allowance that we had there. So you're going to sew it straight to the other side through the neckline and all of that. So I'm going to do that and just bring it back to show us the results. Okay, so I've turned everything with the lining. So I've turned it and I've given it a good press. So this is what the inside is looking like. This inside is just looking so neat. So once you're able to achieve this now, the only part you are yet to turn in is the sleeve. So this is the sleeve and the lining, we are here to turn it in. So to do that, I need a space to be able to turn it out. So I just opened this small space on the lining. So when we are done turning the sleeve, we'll be able to just close this place up. So to do that now, you bring your fabric and your lining together. So this is the right side of the lining and the right side of the fabric. So you just pick it and place the right side on the right side. So make sure the side joining aligns together. So you place the right side of the lining and the right side of fabric, you place it together like this. So to be easy for you to pick, you just go through this opening that you made. So this is the right side of fabric and the right side of the lining. So once you have this like this, so this is from the side joining. So you just run the stitch, you run it round the sleeve, then you do the same thing for the second side of the armhole. So you just pick the right side facing the right side of lining and the fabric, then you run your stitch, you just pick it all around like this. So you just stitch it all around, then you do the same thing for the second armhole. Alright, so I've turned in the armhole part both sides and it's looking neat. So what's just left for me now is to give it a good press. As I was just sewing it now, it never took light, so I just want to quickly finish this tutorial. So I'm going to be pressing it later. So after pressing, what we need to do is just to fix our buttonhole and fix the button for the front. So this is what it's going to be looking like by the time the person wears it. But I'm going to be displaying it on the mannequin so that we all see the outcome. So thank you for joining us in our class today. We'll see you in the next class.